Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. Today, I've got something that might not be flashy like the latest smartphone or a foldable gadget, but it's actually one of those machines that keeps businesses, offices, and even creative studios running every single day. I'm talking about the Kyocera ECOSYS M8130cidn Color A3 MFP multifunction laser printer. Yeah, that's a long name, but this is one of those all-in-one workhorses designed to do it all: print, scan, copy, and fax, while being built to handle heavy-duty workloads without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk design first. This printer is an A3-sized MFP, which basically means it's not a small desktop printer you can just slide into a corner. This is a bigger, professional-grade machine. It looks industrial, but that's the point. Kyocera's design philosophy here is about durability and efficiency, and you can tell by the solid build. This isn't something that feels like it's going to wear out in a year. It's built like it's meant to stay in your office for the long haul. Performance-wise, you're looking at 30 pages per minute in color, which is actually really solid for a device in this class. And the resolution goes up to fine 1200 by 1200 dpi, so prints are not just fast, but also crisp and detailed. Whether you're handling simple documents, reports, or high-quality color presentations, you're going to get clarity that looks professional every single time. And one of the big highlights here is the Duplex printing, automatic two-sided printing that not only saves paper but also makes your documents look polished and professional. On top of that, it's powered by Kyocera's HyPAS platform, which means this printer isn't just about raw specs. It's also about software customization. You can integrate apps, streamline workflows, and basically tailor the printer to the needs of your business. That's something you won't see in your typical consumer printer. Then there's the multifunction part. It's not just a printer. You can scan, copy, and fax right from the same unit. The scanner supports high resolution, so if you're digitizing documents or even graphics-heavy pages, you're going to capture all the detail you need. Copying is quick and sharp, and while faxing might feel old school in 2025, there are still industries where it's absolutely necessary, and it's here, built right in. One of the things I've always appreciated about Kyocera machines is their focus on long-life components. That means fewer parts that need replacing, less maintenance, and ultimately lower total cost of ownership. For businesses, that's a huge deal. Instead of constantly worrying about replacing drums or other parts, you just keep this running, and it does its job with minimal downtime. Now let's talk usability. A lot of professional-grade printers can feel like you need a manual every time you press a button. But this one has a user-friendly control panel, and with HyPAS capability, you can add custom workflows and shortcuts to make life easier. Whether it's scanning directly to email, printing from the cloud, or automating repetitive jobs, this printer can handle it all without wasting your time. Connectivity is also solid. You get your standard USB and network connections, so integrating it into an office network is straightforward. And with Duplex, high resolution, and high-speed printing all packed in, this thing is clearly designed to be the centerpiece of an office's document workflow. At the end of the day, the Kyocera ECOSYS M8130cidn is not a flashy gadget, it's a serious tool. But that's the beauty of it. It's reliable, versatile, efficient, and built for offices that don't have time to deal with breakdowns or subpar print quality. If your workflow depends on consistently high-quality printing, copying, and scanning, this is the kind of machine that justifies its place in your office. So yeah, not the usual smartphone unboxing, but definitely one of those behind-the-scenes devices that makes a massive difference in productivity. If you're in the market for a high-quality multifunction printer that's going to last and keep up with demanding workloads, the Kyocera ECOSYS M8130cidn is worth checking out. Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and if you want to buy this Kyocera 1200x1200 US0 model ECOSYS M8130cidn Color A3 MFP multifunction laser printer, then please visit the link provided in the description.